how lucky are we to all be here celebrating this special day? But by special day, I mean the friend anniversary of me and my best friend, Steph. I know, no, it would be convenient for purposes of this toast to call January 19th our friend anniversary, but it is. It was 8 years ago today that I met this wonderful, amazing person sitting in front of us in a university dining hall. And if you're wondering how I remember it was 8 years, it was because a few years into our friendship, once she decided that I think she wanted to keep me, she had us take out our phones and put that date into each other's contact information. I promise it's all in there. You can look after the toast. But over these last 8 years, I have not only gained a best friend, but a supporter, an encourager, and someone who has taught me how okay it is to be unapologetically myself. Steph, I will never be able to explain to you how much this day 8 years ago truly changed my life. But don't worry, Greg, I'm happy to share this day with you too. Because I have had the great privilege of watching this relationship start with a story about a cute guy at work that Steph had a crush on, that turned into a beautiful snowy night where you both decided to say yes to forever. I have found that there are few things better than watching your best friend find their person. And I could not be more thankful that you two have found each other. Cheers to you both. I love you guys so much.
Greg, I'm so very, very proud of you, and that's just true honesty here. If you all don't know, me and my brother are actually, for real, like best friends, and it's just, I'm getting choked up right now, but it's very true. He is my best friend, and it was an honor to be your best man tonight.
When we finally did get to meet Greg, we got to go to dinner, and the second we left, I got in the car to call Steph and tell her how thrilled I was to know that we didn't need to protect each other anymore because she had found the best partner in the world. And I'm just so happy. I'm so happy that you found such a wonderful, hilarious, thoughtful man to share your life with, and that you guys have found this life together with your little zoo of animals and your house full of love. So a toast to the Jankoskis as they go into this phase together. We love you so much.
We are gathered here today to witness the union of Greg and Stephanie. Welcome, friends and family. Glad to have everybody here. Today is the beginning of a remarkable journey for both Greg and Stephanie. I, Greg.
I, Greg.
Present you, Stephanie.
Present you, Stephanie.
With this ring.
With this ring.
As a symbol of our everlasting love.
As a symbol of our everlasting love.
Let it never lose its luster.
Let it never lose its luster.
Just as my love for you will never fade.
Just as my love for you will never fade.
Please repeat after me. I, Stephanie.
I, Stephanie.
Present you, Greg.
Present you, Greg.
With this ring as a symbol of our everlasting love.
This ring is a symbol of our everlasting love.
Let it never lose its luster,
Let it never lose its luster,
just as my love for you will never fade.
just as my love for you will never fade.
Under the eyes of God, I happily pronounce you husband and wife. Great. Can you kiss the bride? For the first time, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Greg and Stephanie Jankowski.
So blessed to have Greg and Stephanie together. They've been waiting for a while to make this happen. We've all been very anxious to make this happen. But now that it's done, it's kind of like, well, I guess it's time to party, right? So let's do this. Let's have a great meal. Let's hear some great music. Let's get out there and have a lot of fun. God bless you all.